All right, what's up guys? Let me make some withdrawal I make last week from my copy trading. Let me just go to the accounts. I want to make some withdrawal. So let me just go to copy X. I want to go to copy X to make withdrawal. Then I want to go to right. Let me just go to copy X. I want to make some withdrawal. So this is how you can make your withdrawal if you want to start making money with copy trading. So make sure you join my Telegram group in the bio. We are going to learn everything in the bio. It's very, very simple. All right. So so you click on this area to make your withdrawal. Then this is how you can withdraw live. And you see I have like, so you can see, but if I want to withdraw my capital as well, I have to leave it for like 30 days for the system to trade for me. Can you see? In the next 12 days, I can access my capital. So, all right. So, but I want to just take out the profit already first. So I have about one around 12.98, 112.998. So I will just try to withdraw. Okay, sorry. It's around 989.93. So that's the money there available to me to withdraw. This is how you can just take out your profits. It's loading right now. Let me just wait for it to load up. The money is loading up. 112.93. Complete successfully. Complete. So this is how you can just take out your profit. All right. So let me just go back. Let me just try to refresh. I have like $6 here already. Now, right? So I can easily withdraw this money right now into my account. So if you want to make withdrawal, just come to this wallet area. All right, I'm just showing you so that you can know that how you can make withdrawal here. You come to this particular withdrawal button, then you, all right, so I'll just type the amounts I want to make withdrawal. 119.9. all right, so I'll just ask for the request. So I have to just take like 1 minute to wait for the, please take a minute to review your withdrawal request before proceeding. The request amount will be taken. So let me just try to wait for a bit to do that. You can continue watching the video. All right, let me just wait. So let me just try to click on here. So I have to just select, yeah, all right, then I have to just select this area, right, crypto. So I have already used crypto. I'll just click on this withdrawal button right now. Withdraw button right away. All right, withdraw is being submitted successfully. I've already withdrawn the money successfully. I'll just click on this direct. Okay, can you see the withdrawal will come to my wallet? Your withdrawal request has been submitted to the back office, will be processed shortly. Withdrawal successful, proceed. So in the next few minutes, I will get the alert that the money is being sent to my account. So this is how you can take out your money anytime, any day you want to take it out. If I refresh this page, you are not going to see anything here again. So how to take out your profits in this particular copy trading call tag. All right, it's very simple and easy. Then I will show you the alert when you come to my MEXC account. You can see the money just come to my to my account, $119 right now. I just received this money right now into my MEXC account. The link of my MEXC account will be down below this video. Let me show you on my MEXC right now. So you can see this is the money I just received right now. I'm trying to refresh the page. So you can see this is around $19 I just got. So thank you for watching the video. Try to hit the subscribe button, like and share. Bye for now, guys.